Welcome back to The Daily Farming Cycle, where we uncover the hidden engineering marvels behind the everyday products we use daily. Today, we explore two distinct journeys, transforming recycled waste into essential paper and converting raw fats into iconic pink laundry soap. Our journey begins at a recycling facility where massive trucks deliver tons of sorted paper collected from schools and busy offices. Not all paper makes the cut. Only high-quality white paper with strong fibers is selected to ensure the final product is soft. Diligent workers stand by the conveyor belts to manually remove any materials that do not meet the strict standards for recycling. Once sorted, the paper travels up a steep incline, ready to enter the heart of the recycling process, the giant pulper. Inside the pulper, the dry paper is bombarded with hot water, breaking down the bonds that hold the cellulose fibers together. Powerful blades churn the mixture relentlessly, turning what was once office documents into a thick, gray slurry known as paper pulp. The pulp flows through vibrating screens designed to catch heavy impurities like staples and plastic clips that survive the initial sorting. This filtration step is crucial to prevent any sharp metal or hard plastic from damaging the delicate machinery further downstream. Next, the pulp enters the de-inking phase, where air is injected into the tank to separate ink particles from the fibers. The air bubbles attach themselves to the ink, lifting it to the surface where it forms a dark foam that is skimmed off. Automated skimmers efficiently remove this ink-laden foam, ensuring that the recycled pulp is free from the dark residues of printed text. With the ink removed, the pulp is cleaner but still gray, so it moves to the bleaching stage for final whitening. Bleaching agents are carefully added to the mixture, chemically altering the fibers to achieve the pristine white color consumers expect. The whitened pulp is sprayed onto a moving wire mesh, where gravity and suction remove most of the water content immediately. Heavy rollers press the damp sheet, squeezing out the remaining moisture and bonding the fibers together to form a continuous paper web. The sheet passes through steam-heated drying cylinders that evaporate the last traces of water, leaving behind a dry, soft tissue paper. A sharp blade scrapes the paper off the dryer, creating the crinkled texture known as crepe, which adds softness and absorbency. The continuous sheet is wound onto a massive parent roll, a gigantic spool of paper that will soon be converted into smaller rolls. Specialized forklifts transport these enormous parent rolls to the finishing area, where they will be processed into consumer-sized products. Two parent rolls are often unwound simultaneously to create two-ply tissue, enhancing the strength and comfort of the final product. Embossing rollers press a decorative pattern into the paper, which not only looks good but also helps bond the layers together. The paper is then wound onto long cardboard cores, creating a continuous log of toilet paper before it is cut to size. A high-speed rotating saw slices through the long logs, cutting them into the standard width rolls that fit our bathroom holders. The finished rolls drop onto a conveyor belt for a final quality check, ensuring they are perfectly round and defect-free. Robotic arms organize the rolls into groups, preparing them to be wrapped in plastic packaging for distribution to supermarkets worldwide. Automated packaging machines wrap the bundles in plastic, sealing them tight to protect the hygiene of the paper during transport. Now we shift our focus from the delicate world of paper to the robust chemical engineering behind the famous Zote soap. The process begins with raw beef tallow, a byproduct of the meat industry, serving as the primary fat for the soap. Coconut oil is pumped into the mix to add lathering properties, ensuring the soap creates rich bubbles when used for cleaning. These fats are collected in massive stainless steel tanks where they are heated and prepared for the critical chemical reaction ahead. Sodium hydroxide, also known as lye, is carefully added to the hot oils to trigger saponification, the soap-making reaction. Inside the reactor, the mixture boils vigorously as the fats and alkali chemically transform into soap and glycerin. Technicians constantly monitor the mixture, checking pH levels to ensure the reaction is complete and safe for human skin. Salt is added to the mixture to help separate the pure soap curds from the glycerin and any remaining impurities. The soap undergoes a washing process with hot water to remove excess alkali. ensuring the final bar is gentle on clothes. Optical brighteners are introduced to the formula, a key ingredient that helps the soap make white clothes appear even brighter. The iconic pink color is added, a distinctive dye that makes Zote soap instantly recognizable to millions of customers worldwide. Citronella oil is mixed in just before cooling, giving the soap its signature fresh scent that also helps repel mosquitoes. The hot, pink mixture flows out of the mixing tanks and begins the cooling process to transform from liquid to solid. An industrial extruder forces the cooling soap through a rectangular die, creating a continuous, solid bar of pink soap. This endless bar of pink soap travels along the conveyor belt, firm enough to hold its shape but soft enough to cut. Automated cutters slice the continuous log into individual blocks, moving with incredible speed to keep up with high production demands. A heavy stamping machine presses the brand logo deep into every bar, a mark of quality that has existed for decades. Quality control inspectors watch the line closely, ensuring every bar has a perfect shape and the logo is clearly visible. Robotic arms gently place the finished bars into the wrapping machine, handling thousands of units per hour with high precision. The flow wrapping machine seals each bar in a protective film, preserving the moisture and the strong citronella fragrance inside. Wrapped bars drop into shipping cartons, which are automatically filled and sealed, ready for distribution to markets everywhere. This facility operates with incredible efficiency, producing over 1 million bars of soap every single day to meet global demand. We have seen how waste paper is given a second life, transformed through engineering into a soft, essential hygiene product. And we witnessed how raw industrial fats are chemically mastered to create a cleaning staple found in millions of laundry rooms. These processes highlight the incredible ingenuity of modern manufacturing, turning basic raw materials into products that improve our daily comfort. From the recycling bin to the bathroom, and from the rendering plant to the laundry sink, science is everywhere around us. The complexity of these factories is often hidden, but they are the beating heart of our modern, convenient lifestyle. Mass production allows us to access these high-quality goods at affordable prices, a feat of logistics and engineering optimization. Behind every machine and robot, there are skilled workers and engineers ensuring that quality and safety standards are met. As the trucks leave the loading docks, these products begin their final journey to supermarket shelves near you. Let us remember the journey of the paper, from discarded office waste to a clean, white, and soft tissue roll, and the transformation of the soap, from simple fats and oils to a vibrant pink bar that cleans our clothes. Understanding these cycles helps us appreciate the resources involved and the importance of recycling in preserving our planet's future. The next time you use a tissue or wash a stain, think of the massive industrial ballet that made it possible. Industry is not just about machines, it is about the constant innovation to serve the growing needs of humanity efficiently. We hope this deep dive into manufacturing has given you a new perspective on the items filling your shopping cart. There are many more industrial secrets waiting to be uncovered, and we are excited to bring those stories to you. Thank you for watching The Daily Farming Cycle. Subscribe now to discover more incredible stories about how our world is made.